little bit too much is just enough for me. I would say the space, the overall look is Hollywood glamour meets Chinatown meets Shanghai, 1920s, because it is an Art Deco building. I wanted that reflected in some of the pieces, and I also wanted to look as if it evolved over time. Welcome to the foyer. In here, I've utilized a massive chandelier. Who doesn't love chandeliers? Teamed with a massive mirror. Also, I'd like to point out the faux malachite painting. So this sets the tone for the rest of the apartment. This is my passageway between the living room and my sleeping area. I created my garden, my interior garden, and did these trellises with this meandering branches and such coming out of pots. And I just wanted something a little different, the transition between the living room and the bedroom. I'm happy with the way it turned out. I hope you are as well. Tony Duquette was probably one of my biggest influences on this particular space. Unfortunately, I never had the opportunity to meet Tony. So when I first went to Dawn Ridge, Tony's iconic estate in Beverly Hills, I got it just like that. It's like, wow, okay. And it reaffirmed my thoughts on decoration. People say, oh, you like that kitschy kind of interior, that kitschy look. I don't think there's anything kitschy about this look at all. Those that think it really, haven't been here, or they're not completely familiar with Tony's work. There's nothing kitschy about it at all. It's very, very well thought out, very, it's orchestrated, it's composed. Don't second guess yourself and embrace color. If you like it, that's all that matters. I remember famously somebody asked Tony, wow, your interior, like, God, I can't believe, And he said, well, I didn't do this for anybody else. I did this for me. I didn't do it for you. It's for me.